please.
All right, so I just switch slides, pushing.
Yes, certainly.
I hope nobody minds if I stand right here.
No, just before the laptop.
Okay. All right, so here's my question to you first. Just take a couple of seconds timing and try to feel the emotions that the word money and finance evoke in your heart and in your head. So is it positive? Is it negative? Or is it some kind of neutral thing? I think most of us would say that money, we always lack money. So it's either neutral or maybe sometimes negative, because we need them all the time. We want to earn them. We want to spend them. We need this stuff. But my task today is quite complicated. This is the first project from the entertaining speaking manuals. So I have to talk about funny money. So money that entertain us, money that amuse us, money that make us feel happy, like Henry said. So my point is, do you think that talking and thinking and earning and spending money can be fun? So I thought about that matter, and I thought about the thing that can make us happy, can make us smile, laugh, and also can teach us something new. This is the old and very important thing in our life, which is called a game. Game makes us laugh, and game teaches us a lot. So I tried to remember some money games, and here's the thing that I actually found out. You probably know that game. This is pretty famous. It actually started in the States. It came here, so everybody, not everybody, but many people watch it on the first channel even right now. And to tell you the truth, like 7 or 8 years ago when I was still a student, I was like crazy about going to the TV show and earning $1 million, like sitting there just pushing the buttons, 12 questions and $1 million. Wow, that was easy money. I wanted to do that. Luckily, my dream didn't come true. But today, I invite you to play this game with me. I offer you 4 questions, and I will answer them one by one. But I also need some reaction from you, so this will be kind of asking the audience, help from the audience. So if you're ready to play this game with me, let me answer the first question. So what are my money sources? Here are the answers. Parents, begging, employer, or thank you, I don't need any money. So let's see. Do you think I can borrow some money from my parents? Probably I can. Why not? Every parent is ready to give some money to their kids. That's natural, that's normal. I'm probably not in the age of taking money from my parents, but yeah, I have to admit, sometimes I do that. Do you think I can earn money from begging? Well, this is the easiest way to do that. So just wear some pathetic expression on your face, sit on the bench, and just like ask for money. This could be easy, but yeah, this is not for me. Employer, pretty natural, right? So many of us use companies, people to earn money, and this is normal in our life. And the answer is, do I need any money? Do you think I need any money? Probably I do. So, right, that's an employer thing. That's pretty easy. This was the easiest question. Now let's proceed to question number 2. What do I save it up for? I earn my money, my employer gives it to me. So do you probably think that my parents give me money for ice cream? I need an ice cream, but I don't need to save it up for an ice cream. Probably I might want to have a big plasma screen. Many people want to add some cool gadgets in their lives. Cars, TVs, that stuff. Do you think I might want a big plasma screen? Things? No. Maybe. Do you think I'm not saving up at all? Why do I need to save up? Do you think? Maybe, yeah. Well, maybe I save up for traveling. Do you think that's probable? Let's see, so you're in my team. Great. Yeah, I do save up. And I don't save up too much, but that's enough for fulfilling this goal. Question number 3. If I ever borrow, what for? So let me take an example. If I ask Natalia Shorshnyova, Natalia, could you give me some money? Could you lend me some money? And you imagine that you ask me, yes, but what for, right? What do you think I will answer? I need to eat. Please just give me some money. I want to buy some food and drinks. Okay? Hesitating. Yeah, okay. Okay, Natalia, I need some money for cars and a new villa. Okay?
And it's very unusual if you address for me such a question for
Well, nevertheless,
to borrow for cars.
do you expect me to say that I need a new house or a villa or?
Yes, possible.
Good. Would you give me some money for some stuff?
Probably yes.
Good.
Yes, I think so.
And for fun?
No.
All right. So what's your point? What do you think is the best
I think
answer?
answer C.
Cool. That's right. And that's a secret actually. So I wouldn't share with you what and why I borrow, but I do. And question number 4, the most important one and the last one. And I want to ask this question to all of you. So you spend the most of your money for what? Is it A, comfort, C, future, B, joy, or something else? Let me explain it to you first. When you spend most of your money for comfort, what do you want to get? You want to get a nicer flat. You want to have a nice means of transport, not bus, but car. You want to have a nice desk to work on. You want to have a nice sofa or armchair. You want to create some really nice world where you feel being comfortable with. So many people, lots of people, thousands, millions of people spend hundred sums of money for getting comfort around them. That's true. Maybe you invest for the future. You can go to a bank, open an account, put like $1 million there, come back in 5 years and get 5 million, right? This is future. So you spend your fortune for a future. Or you can invest in your kids. This is also an investment for the future. You bring them up, maybe you pay for their education, then they just grow up and somehow, someday, they pay you back. That's possible. Some people actually spend the most of their money for joy, for happiness. Money can make us happy, right? You can buy better clothes, you can go out, you can have some, fancy dinner or festival with guests and stuff. You can go traveling, for example. You can just actually get nice and positive emotions for this money. Or it could be something else. So let me ask you, could you please raise your hands, guys, who spend most of their money for comfort?
But first of all, I think that joy is included for comfort.
What you think comfort is for you?
Including
most
joy.
of your money. You have a big sum of money, but most part goes somewhere. Is it comfort? Who spends for comfort? Few. Like in comfortable situations. Who spends for the future? Oh, much more. Who spends for joy? Oh, equal. And something else? Anything else? What is it, Natalia?
Women.
Okay, thank you, Natalia. That's really pretty surprising. Women, okay. Well, it's comfort, right? And joy. Okay, anything else? Who else spends for something else? Okay, let it be a secret. What do you think I'm spending the most of my money for?
Joy.
There it is. Yeah, I do spend some money for my comfort. That's natural for every person. I do invest for my future, mostly for educational stuff. But most of my money, they go for comfort. Because I want my life to be full of bright and happy emotions. That's important for me. That's why I think the money is for. And let me leave you with a final thought. Money is very serious. But thinking, talking, earning, spending, getting money can be fun sometimes. Thank you.
Thank you. Any more questions to Valeria? Or she asked you? Go ahead and open. Any question? No. Oh, please.
Just one question. And you say that you spend money for fun. I don't understand how to. Is it necessary to spend money to be happy? Is it really necessary?
No,
Can be just happy?
it's not necessary. That's why I spend some money for comfort. And that's why I educate myself to learn how to spend more money for better fun.
Well, Dimmer?
It's not a question, it's just a comment. Women is not really joy, it's a punishment.
Oh,
No comments. Comments
that's smart.
can be after the intro. Well,
Any more questions?
no. Thank you.
Thank you.
Please sit down.